In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a booklet in Adobe InDesign. We'll use the built-in print booklet feature to automatically arrange your pages so they fold and read in the correct order without any manual shuffling. Start by opening the document you want to turn into a booklet. Make sure it's the final version you're ready to print. For saddle-stitched booklets, it helps if your total page count is a multiple of 4, since pages are printed in pairs on both sides of each sheet. If it's not, InDesign can add blanks, but planning ahead keeps your layout tidy. Next, go to the File menu and choose Print Booklet. This is the command that handles imposition, which is the process of rearranging pages so they print in the correct pairs for folding. Instead of exporting and manually pairing pages, this dialog does the math for you. In the Print Booklet dialog, choose your booklet type. A common choice is 2-up saddle stitch. This option places 2 document pages on each side of the sheet, so when the pages are folded down the middle and stapled, everything reads in sequence. It's ideal for programs, newsletters, and small catalogs. If your booklet has a different binding method, select the option that matches it, but for most quick booklets, 2-up saddle stitch is the go-to. Now click Print Settings to adjust your printer options. Here, select the correct printer, choose the paper size you'll load, and set the orientation. Make sure scaling is set to 100% so your margins and type size stay accurate. If your printer supports 2-sided printing, confirm those settings here so both sides of the paper are used correctly. Also check the paper source or tray and choose a paper type that suits your design and ink coverage. Back in the Print Booklet dialog, use the preview to confirm that the imposition looks right. You should see the first and last pages paired, the second with the second to last, and so on. Flip through a few spreads to make sure page numbers and orientation line up the way you expect. If anything looks off, revisit the booklet type or printer options until the preview matches your intent. When everything looks good, click Print. InDesign will automatically arrange your document into booklet spreads and send the job to the printer. Once printed, the pages will be ready to fold along the center and finish as a neat professional booklet. And that's the entire process from document to printed booklet using a simple, reliable workflow.